Hello everyone, my name is Marius and today we'll be doing an unboxing of a pen station. You probably heard about it from either their project on Kickstarter or accompanying your RocketBook. This one came with a RocketBook that I got recently and it will be attached to RocketBook Everlast. I won't be talking much about the pen station. You will find details about it in many other places. It's an unboxing, even though it does not come in a box. It's a pretty simple packaging, and this is pretty much what you're getting. So this is it. Nothing too fancy, very simple, very effective. If I were to take, say, a friction pen, the adhesive will be sticking to the back of the notebook, and it will be used very easily, just like this. We'll make a quick video in a second. Okay, see you soon. Bye.